Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to cook something very tasty. We are going to cook Chinese chicken with pickles. For that you need chicken. I have 4 chicken thighs, garlic and onion, about 12 cloves and 3 small onions, bean sprouts, 1 paprika. The bean sprouts is, by the way, 100 grams, 1 whole paprika, 4 bay leaves, about 40 grams of ginger, 1 whole chili pepper, I removed the seeds, 1 chicken stock cube, 5 cloves, 1 star anise, and lontai piment. Next you will need 2 chopped tomatoes. I have Laos, about 70 grams, and celery, about 40 grams. So let's start. Okay, I have heated a pan. I will add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. And I will start with my garlic, onion, and red pepper to fry them. Okay, as you can see, the garlic, onion and pepper are nicely golden brown. I'll add my herbs in it. So the ginger, the Laos, cloves, lontai, and fry this for just 2 minutes and then I'll add my chicken in it. So it's time for our chicken. And our chicken stock cube. And some black pepper, which I forgot to mention. A good amount. Like that. Give it a stir. And make sure your heat is not too high. Put it on a medium heat. So everything is mixed well. Medium heat and the lid on. So it's been 45 minutes now. The chicken is nicely brown, well done. And it's time to add some extra ingredients in it. The 2 finely chopped tomatoes going in. And our pickles, the mixed pickles. And in here we have cucumber and carrots, ginger, papaya, and some onion. I'll add in it. Some of the juice I throw half away and half is in it. Then we will go in with the soy sauce. I'm using this soy sauce. This is salt soy sauce. You can see it. Yeah. 2 tablespoons. and 2 tablespoons of the sweet soy sauce. And this is the one I'm using. Our celery goes in as well. And 250 ml of water. Give this a good stir and we'll bring it to the cook, and now we let it simmer for half an hour. The chicken has to become very soft and tender. It already looks very yummy. So once again, bring it to the cook and let it simmer for half an hour. And half hour is passed, so this is how the chicken looks like. Very soft and tender. It already falls apart, and it should be. Last 2 steps, we're gonna add our paprika. I'll leave this in here for 2 minutes, and then I'll turn up the heat and I'll add my sprouts as last step. Two more minutes and then we're done. Hello. Okay, 2 minutes are over. Last part, bean sprouts. I cleaned them. Turn the heat off and give it one last good stir. And who's ready to have dinner? Because we are ready to serve. And here is our end result. Chicken with some cucumber, tomato, and a lot of sauce with pickles and vegetable topped with some parsley. I hope you enjoyed my cooking. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.